In this video, Chelsea wants to get down.
I want to go down. Nate, I want to go down.
Yeah, you're right. All right.
We might see some cows.
We might see some cows. There's so many cows.
And we look at a lot of rocks. So originally we were heading to the Barrington Tops, but due to some really poor weather forecasts, we changed our plans the day before. Our new plan was that we had no plan, so we set off to chase an adventure without booking any campsites and a plan to not stay in any one place for more than one night.
So the weather is pretty, it looks like it's clearing up, and I did see blue skies ahead, which is pretty exciting, because I don't think we're actually pretty prepared for the weather. But anyway, we just have to see when we get there. Two Run Gates, like near Capertee, was probably the first area I took the Jimny, and that's where I first fell in love with forward driving and camping. Dad and I both went there and camped for a night, and I just loved it, and then ever since then I just been forward driving. I think the first track I done in the Jimny, we done Mount Airlie, I think it was called. Chickened out halfway up, but I was only a little baby then, and the Jimny was only a little baby. But now, yeah, I think my confidence has built up quite a bit since then, and going back there is probably pretty special to me, and it's a pretty special place. So I basically went there a lot when I was younger, so pretty happy to go back.
After a few hours on road, we're closing on our first potential campsite. This will do nicely, but we still have plenty of daylight.
Oh, that's so cool.
Please do not climb.
Where?
Hey, out of my picture.
14 passengers.
After realizing that this cart had more room than my car, we decided to move to the bridle track.
That's not bad. That is not bad at all. This is the old bridle track, I'm told, which is no longer open. Master Chef Chelsea.
With our big tongue, that's all we brought.
We got burgers and rice cooking up, fire. It doesn't look like much of a fire now, but just give it time, okay?
Oh, that's ready.
Here's the setup. Zook 1 and Zook 2. Chairs, fire, swag. We've seen goats, we've seen all sorts of shit already, so might have a few visitors in the night time.
What, goat?
Yeah.
I hope so. They'll bring them home.
We're not bringing home a goat. No, we're not.
I put some photos from our trip at the end of the video too. The night sky from this first night was really something special. Good morning. Day 2 starts now. Alright, well, we're packed up, as you can probably maybe see. Rigs are warming up, ready for Turon National Park. But all packed up. We are out of here. We're into the Turon National Park now, so we don't really have a plan. We know there's a couple campsites around, but we're just sort of exploring for the day, I think. It's only 11, so we've got a little bit of time before we need to get somewhere. Have a go at the view. Just valleys as far as you can see. On every side. Tell you what, it is fucking freezing though. Time to get back in the car.
Yep, now it is. Hey guys, me again. I've been the camera person once again. Missed this job. Okay. And it's also started to rain, which is fantastic. Oh. Woo, look at you go! Wait for me! Oh, really? I'm just talking to my car.
Day 2 without people and she's talking to her car already. Are we crossing?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
Alright, here we go.
Did you want me to video?
Yes, I did, but I'm just gonna have to work now. Snags by the river. Do we camp here or do we go? That is the question. We might see some cows. There's so many cows. God, I could go for a cheeseburger. Sorry, buddy. Alright, so you're joining us back in Sofala, pretty much along the same river that we were camping at last night, except a little bit further down. We're just about to look for a campsite, little crossing here. There's a couple cars sort of further along ahead, so we're going to cross and see if we can find something a little bit more to ourselves. Apologies for the squeak in the background, you can hear it. It's something in my barbecue bag. I've been listening to that for like an hour.
So close.
My turn.
One more time. Give me one more go.
There we go.
What did you say?
Took you 4 goes.
Huh?
Took you 4 turns.
Zook! Oh my god! See? Not as easy as it looks. You got further than me in the first go at least. I don't think I even made it up that first bump on my first go. Oh, come on! Nah. Sorry. Yeah, you got it. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. You made that mud all soft though.
Alrighty, welcome to camp for night number 2. Got the fire going literally right by the water. Couldn't get much more perfect.
shower time done. Shower probably over.
It was nice to have some visitors to the campsite when we were recovering from the freezing cold shower. Also, none of you definitely saw me splash myself with the water in my hat when I was trying to get Chelsea. Don't worry about it.
Breakfast time.
Chelsea is a cracking egg pro.
Cracking egg pro, she reckons. Really, another really good night. I love falling asleep.
This is probably my favourite, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
I've enjoyed this one
Yeah.
a lot more.
Been sort of right next to the water and having the campfire like right on the edge. We went to bed like really early again last night, but I was sort of awake around midnight, and the stars that were like just over the top of the hill there were really nice as well.
Great.
Goodbye campsite.
Bye, campsite.
All packed up. Ready to go to the next. This is probably our favourite campsite. Not just of the two, probably like that we've ever done, so. Not bad at all. To Lithgow we go.
To Lithgow.
We've hit some off-road tracks. We decided to take a bit of a detour. This is Mount Airlie. Gonna see if we can't get lost. I think Chelsea's done this one before, so she's up front, but apparently she didn't make it all the way to the top, or something like that. So we'll see how we go.
Pretty sure this is where I stopped last time at this corner.
I don't know if you can see that, but that is a cliff. This is so cool. We've got valley views on the left, like a cliff face on the right. And we're just climbing up ever so slowly. Check that out. Come on, Zook, and your 40 psi.
I think this was one of the coolest places I've ever driven. Really hard to tell on camera, but the scale of everything here is just immense. Relatively beginner friendly too, so if you're new to forward driving and want to see something cool, Mount Airlie.
Damn.
Well, we definitely climbed the wall. I think that's where we entered in from. There. So
Yeah.
we sort of just climbed up the wall.
Jesus. Climbed all right.
There's some intense parts, wasn't there? Definitely with blown up tires.
Yeah.
Wasn't comfortable.
Not bad, is it?
Not bad at all.
Gardens of Stone Conservation Area. Could have been camp for the night, but I think we're going to head back down the other side and try and find this lake recreation area. It's a bit cold up here, even though the sunset would be pretty bloody beautiful.
Spoiler alert, we should have stayed there.
Welcome to night 3 camp. As you can see, it's a little bit darker than we've been setting up the last few days. And we are just by some free campground, but I think we're actually camping in the car park of it. But there's meant to be a track down this way or something that we might do tomorrow, but for now that's all you're getting. Pitch black darkness. I think it's chocolate for dinner. Well, good morning. Excuse the looks. It's day 4, 5? Fucking, I don't even know. That was probably our first, like, somewhat unsuccessful camp of the trip. We got in really dark. We went to a few, like, different free spots and they were pretty busy or, like, just not that great. So we pretty much kept moving on. Ended up getting in. It was dark. Sort of, like, drizzling rain a little bit. And just like setting up the swag and going straight to bed basically. We haven't eaten yet, but we're gonna get back on the road and like, yeah, pretty much get some phone service and find what we want to do for the day, and then make the decision whether we're staying or not. Yeah, because we can potentially stay Saturday. Yes, I am. But we can potentially stay Saturday as well, so tonight, but we're trying to decide what to do. But we'll go find service. The campsite, I don't know if you can, not much other campsite. We pretty much slept in the parking space. I think it's, you can camp here, like there's fire pits and stuff, but I think it's for like sort of a base camp for people who are walking and stuff, and I don't like exercise, so not for us.
At this point, the weather was starting to turn, and we were trying to decide whether we try our luck or if we call it potentially a day or two early. But we still had a place called the Lost City to discover.
There they are.
Another one of those spots where you just gotta go see to truly appreciate it.
Time to go wheeling?
Time to go wheeling.
Let's do it.
Here's where we're at. It's very slippery too. I think we're gonna have to deflate our tyres a little bit more. We are on, I think we put it down to 20, or mine's down to 20. And it's just, yeah, very slippery. Good job. Oh, shit. Oh yeah, very soft, all right. Like, oh. Okay, let me move out the way. Let me move out the way.
Yep. Yep, keep coming, you're good. Yep. Turn to me a little bit.
Pardon?
Turn to me a little bit. Yep. Keep coming, keep coming. All right, straighten up. More to me, left. Or your right. Yep. Keep going, keep going. You're good. Yep. A little bit left. You're right. Yeah, you're good. Just come straight. No, no, no. That way. Keep going. More that way. All right, now straighten up. Very slow. This way a little bit. This way. Keep going, nearly there. A little bit more. Bit more, bit more, bit more. All right, yeah, keep coming, you're good.
It's so hard to turn the wheel.
Yeah, just muscle through.
Oh god, Nathan, I'm gonna tear.
Straighten up a bit. Come this way. Yeah, keep crawling.
Am I nearly on the ground?
Holy shit. All right, yeah, keep going.
Why did I take the chicken trail?
Keep going. You were so high up in the air then.
I know, I felt it. I'm stuck in the seatbelt too. And now your left wheel's about to go down the rock. Very slow. Can you straighten your wheels? Or do you want to go up that hill? Nearly just died. Oh. Keep it coming, slow. Keep it coming. Holy shit, alright. Straighten, can you straighten? Keep it coming. Oh, don't get your swags on that side too. Yep, 4 wheels on the ground. Oh, it sucks. Keep going.
Yep. Yep.
You said it was little rocks there.
You're good. Keep going. Cover me soon. Bit more speed. There you go. Keep going. Yeah, good job. Yes. Lovely.
Watch that tree too. Ah, that's funny. Anyway, back to business. Maybe go back a little bit. Careful of the tree. Good job. Oh, I'm gonna slide. Just give it a bit. Good job. And that's how you do it.
It's not at the top yet. Little bit of right. You're good. Come this way. Straighten up a bit. You're gonna have to try like climb it. Just see how it feels. Okay, yeah, go back. Yep, straight. Go. Right. Fuck. Alright, back it up a bit. We'll pack it a little bit. Magic.
I want to go down. Nate, I want to go down.
Yeah, you're right. Alright, reverse. In reverse. You got it. Hang on, hold there.
We were both a little worried for a second there, but once she realised she was okay, she made me take photos before we went back.
Alright, come that way, but aim to me. Yeah, go that way.
In a bit of a hug.
So, as you might be able to hear, we're airing back up. Ready to hit the highway, I think. I think we're about done. Ready to wrap it up. Go home. Mariners are on tonight, so obviously we both want to watch that. Mainly me, but also, you know. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that pretty much finishes the trip.
It was a big trip.
It was. That was the longest we've been outside for. So yeah, really good fun.